Damn, man. So we got Clyde. Oh, well, he always mess with old Frankie over here, y'all. Come on, Frankie, man. Come on. Look out, look out. I know you on my YouTube channel, ain't you? Yeah, he been on there for a minute. It always been a clash. Clyde Scott versus him right here, y'all. Golly, why they won't leave him? Why they won't leave you alone, man? Is it because it's ugly? Let me look at it. It ain't even that ugly. Man, I don't know why they won't leave Frankie Taylor alone. Every time they always up Clyde Scott versus Frankie Taylor. Like they know he really. Yeah, man, he up here all the time. Look, I got people talking about Frankie for the win, man. Frankie for the win, y'all. Man, come on, y'all.
Clyde, they betting on Frankie for the win.
I got somebody on here talking about Frankie, man. Who was that? Who was that? Who was that? Hey, that was Stevenson Hustle. He might get banned. Hey, you might get banned, Stevie. You probably can't come back up here. You can only watch live streams. You can only watch live streams now, Stevie. Frankie, since you been. Hey, what's up with it? Look out. Man, we got Frankie Taylor up here. Man, all he got to do is cut a light and make a full pass.
A to B.
A to B. Usually he do that too, y'all. Where y'all gonna go when he get up there? I got some people saying Clyde. Who that? DJ? What? Who that?
Hey, you got one person saying Clyde. He don't know nothing, no DJ.
He said he don't know nothing. He got one. Tyler, yeah, this in Texas, man. Okay, we got Aiden Ray. Aiden Ray say Frankie. Aiden Ray, he want Frankie. Aiden Ray. What you know about Frankie Taylor, man? He got something, y'all gonna bet with him. Kentucky in the house. Look out. Madman ain't gonna play. Nah, he don't be playing. Where you going, man? You always looking like you know something.
I don't know that.
Oh, okay. I thought so. Let me see, man. Does Frankie have a bigger engine? I don't know. Let me ask him. Frankie, I got some people talking about, do you got a bigger engine? No. He say Clyde got a bigger engine than he got.
I got like a V6 compared to his V8.
Okay, he got a V6 the other side of V8, man. So y'all need to pick which side y'all want. He just got the same size blower bigger, but he overworking. Yeah, he overworking his engine though. He gotta have his tune all the way right. What's up with it, Money Ninja? I got a Money Ninja on here. What he doing with that money? Boy, this lookout. Oh, that my boy, man. What's up with it, man? Damn, y'all, we got him in the building, man. We over here doing it. Dang, man.
Where'd you at last weekend?
Where I was at last, I don't remember last weekend. I probably was. Yeah, I was.
I won the big tire deal here last weekend.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Damn.
With my small tire.
So you had some extra big tires?
No, I didn't put no big tires on.
You did it on the small? Oh, you cheating, y'all. He done came up here and started cheating, y'all. He done, boy, I ain't gonna even tell everybody your little secret. I'm gonna let you do your thing. Do your thing. Ryan Gonzalez. Hey, for all my people that's, yeah, they cleaning the track right now. I need all my TikTokers to be patient and check out my YouTube channel. Look Out Racing, man. I got a real good YouTube channel jumping off, man. Look Out Racing. I've been, you know, working hard for a couple years now. I got all kind. I got drone footage. I got fights. I got talking shit. I got betting with the wrong car. Everything. Y'all come look on my channel. I got attention, excuse me. Miss, let them know how much longer they got. About 15 more minutes, right? For the fuel or nitrous.
No, it's over.
Oh, shit. Y'all done ran out of time, y'all. Ain't no more fuel or nitrous. Y'all done ran out of your 15 minutes. You got about 15 minutes for fuel or nitrous. You don't have any more minutes, guys. You don't have any more minutes for fuel or nitrous, guys. You're going to have to go ahead and use your other bottles. We got Scott Frost, just came from TikTok. Look out, Scott Frost. Crystal Sauce say this channel got everything. We got Mon up here, y'all.
Stop playing, man.
What he gonna do? Hey, track staff. What he gonna do? Look, he be looking serious. You know that Stone Cold Steve Austin little cousin?
What?
Right there. That his little cousin. Look at him, got that little ass thumb. That thumb little. Hey, man. Why your thumb so little? Let me see your thumb. Let me see your thumb. You said thumbs up. Oh, that's how you do it. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah. Little thumb having ass. Yeah. Say, man, hey, have you ever had a lookout? You need to get you one. Quit being like that, fool. Don't be like that all your life. Get you one lookout. Tell them, hey, a lookout.
Listen, lookout.
Let me tell you.
By the time I get out of work, guess what's closed?
The lookouts.
The
lookout. You gotta.
Where you get the lookout.
You don't think you can do one while you on? Do one lookout while you on, man. They ain't gonna know. They gonna think it's water and ice.
You think it make me work better?
You gonna work better. You gonna work better. I'm gonna come fuck with you if you get it. You gonna be my boy. Who is Unc going for? That's a good question, man. Let me go see who the hell Frankie Taylor. Hey, y'all, who going? Frankie Taylor or Clyde, y'all. I'm tired of them racing each other. How they keep drawing each other? I'm gonna start. Hey, where you going? Frankie Taylor. They told me to go again with Clyde Scott. He gave me $2 off.
Put your car and let me tell you, get you about half track.
Nuh-uh. I'm finna. Where Funky Town at? Hey, Funky Town. He gone. Oh shit, it's about to go down, y'all. Here it come, y'all. Y'all start getting y'all bets on and come to my YouTube channel. Lookout Racing. Oh, the great truck, he behind the line. Damn, he almost knocked a straw out my cup. Oh shit. Frankie Taylor caught and messed up a little bit. Come on, they finna get him running though. I know ain't nothing wrong with. Ooh, it look like it's belt. What they doing?